Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn Company. It's November 2nd, Wednesday. We are going to go over markets here. Very similar trade to yesterday's trade. So weaker corn and soybean prices. Corn down over 2.5 cents, soybeans down 7.5 cents. That does give you a close below the 200-day moving average here on soybeans. So that's one thing to note there. A second consecutive close could be not that great on a technical side of things on the chart. So that is one thing to look at there. Wheat market able to be a little bit stabilized, closing steady to up 3 to 4 cents there, with the US dollar once again drastically lower, down 40 cents there. Typically that US dollar does support grains in general, like I said yesterday. Mostly out of all of them, the wheat market the most, as wheat is such a globally driven, grown and traded commodity. It's grown in so many different areas that US dollar really influences our wheat, making it more affordable for other countries. And so you were able to catch some support there, but corn and soybeans not able to catch that as well. But you did have supportive meat markets once again. Actually, feeder or lean hogs actually to have a really good day, up over $1 at some points. Both live cattle, feeder cattle slightly higher with some strong asking prices. No cash trade really announced yet, as long as, or significant cash trade I should say, has not been announced quite yet. And really that's going to be where futures go over the next couple days, is going to be where this cash trade comes in. Like I said, similar trade into the outside markets as well as yesterday. Crude market drastically lower as well. That's pushing it into the $45, $46 a barrel range. US dollar down anywhere from 30 to 50 cents here. And then the stock market a little bit lower as well. It did come out and confirm Federal Reserve is not going to increase interest rates. You'll touch base on that here later in the year, but it did, that was expected because of the election, that they would wait until after the election to really make a move once again. So no change into interest rates on the Federal Reserve side of things. Moving forward, what we're going to be looking at is continued large yield talk, but at this point you're going to be taking over a technical side on a lot of this trade, as these ranges have been very tight and the markets have stayed to a range trade pretty easily here, and we'll be able to test those ranges as you start to quickly approach some support levels for corn and soybeans to see if they stay. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.